Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I'm excited. One More sent over something nice. They sent over the SonoFlow headphones. They're not quite out yet. They'll be out on the 15th, and that's when my full review are going to be out. I just wanted to unbox these bad boys for y'all because they said I could give y'all a little preview. And even just with the unboxing, I know you guys is going to be excited because these headphones are at a really good price point, really budget price point. A lot of active noise cancellation headphones out here right now are through the roof, $300-400. These headphones are going to be priced at about $100, guys. Yeah, $100, and they offer a lot. 40mm dynamic drivers, high-res audio, wide and wireless, LDAC, of course, 12 studio grade EQ presets. You get multiple modes of noise cancellation, super long battery life, 70 hours of battery life, guys, and you getting fast charge, 5 minutes of charge for 5 hours of use. One thing I can say is y'all can see these are very good looking pair of headphones. They feel very quality in the hand. The quality I wouldn't say is an A+, it's about a B+, but we got to take into consideration that One More is coming in the door at $99. This look, this build, this feel is definitely a A. So this is something that I'm excited about to go through, really spend some time with, and then come back to you guys with my feelings. Now, as you know, I reviewed the One More Evo Buds, and I thought they sounded really good. They work really well, and I still use them to this day. They're one of my favorite pair of wireless earbuds. So just off of that alone, and the way that One More hit me up, I'm thinking that these are something special where we can actually get our foot in the door without emptying our bank accounts. But as you can see, these headphones are looking pretty clean and comfortable. I could definitely see these headphones being a great companion on the plane and things of that nature, or whenever you just want to jam out. We're going to have to really get into this audio, see what it's sounding like, see how good the active noise cancellation works, see how good the transparency mode works, see how comfortable they are. Definitely gonna get into it, but I'm definitely excited about this price point and these list of features. So again, shout out to One More for sending them out, and shout out for y'all for rocking with your boy. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your man BG Tech Life. If you're not following me, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life, and just take this journey with me. I'm gonna come back, give y'all a full review, and we're gonna see what it's looking like.